Hello everyone, tonight I wanted to bring with you my May Secret Not Secret Kit Club unboxing. I asked Christina for a $50 kit and I did not have any preference on what she put in the kit. I did ask for the mixed media portion, and this is what I received Friday, which I'm very excited. First off, I think she has like scrapbooking, ESP. I needed doilies. I used my last doily, and in my kit, what do I get? Doilies. So that is awesome. I probably got 4 or 5 of them. I haven't taken them apart yet. And then she based the kit on Maggie Holmes' Willow Lane, Simple and Sweet Pink Fresh. This is the ephemera pack from the Simple and Sweet. I'm not going to open it up, but it's summer based. Ice cream, and it has the lemon, sun-kissed. So this will be, I love the colors in this. I mean, just the blues and the greens and the orange and the yellow. I love this, love the color scheme. Then this is a 210 sticker sheet, which is Willow Lane, Maggie Holmes from Crepe Paper. Here's another thing. So I just started using clear stickers on some of my pages, and I was like, wow, I got to get some more of these. Well, lo and behold, Christina knew, and she sent it with this kit. So that is awesome. Can't wait to use these. But then we also got colored flowers and leaves, and then some gold frames with some phrases in it, and then some hearts and stars. So I will use those. Simple and Sweet Puffy Alpha stickers in gold, which are cool. They're like a shiny gold. It's not like a brushed gold. And I like these because I like that they're smaller as well, so I can mix them with my larger ones if I wanted to. So it's nice to have all different sizes of stickers in your stash. And I don't have enough small. And this is the chipboard sticker, Pink Fresh, Simple and Sweet, 39 pieces. Which, I mean, once again, these colors are just awesome together. And I like the fact that there's not black. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a dark gray, and they use a light gray. So it's just a little softer with the pastel colors. So there's that. These are awesome. I've never seen this color, and I don't have this color, so I can't wait to use these. I really like the color on these. And then also there's some fabric die cuts here, and it's like jeans, and they have gold words on them. Seek out the joy, and that's just some leaves. Blossom and shine. Pursue your enthusiasms, which that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And then sunshine looks good on you. So these are awesome. I can't wait to use those. Those are different. I like working with different material. That way it doesn't get boring all the time. Let's see. This is just a grid, 6x8, teal, and it has very faint grid in it. This is a navy, white polka dotted, and I like those cameras. I'm going to be cutting those off and using those. And this is a blue with a white square. I'm not sure if this is Willow Lane or what, because it looks like it came from a pad, but I'm not sure what the manufacturer is on that. And then I like this one as well, the teal and white stripe. This goes really well with the Simple and Sweet paper. And then I received the 6x6 Simple and Sweet, some of the pads. Some of the pieces of paper, I'm sorry. These are the lemons with the citrus slices. Another grid. I like this. I think this is showing all the different paper that's in the paper pad. And I'd have to say that I like them all pretty much. I mean, if I had to choose, that one's really not my favorite. But besides that, I love them all. This is cool. So these are frames that have stitching already on them. Just so fun. And then you have the slice with the little pink thing on it. label, and then happy and bright with a little drink. I love these. I don't know if Christina stitched these or if they come stitched from Pink Fresh, but anytime you can get stitching done for you, that is like a added bonus. And then I got the pom-pom frames, which I'm excited about. I can't wait to use these as well. So, and then some blue pom-poms that I'm going to use for some bordering. Can't wait to use that. And then my mixed media is the Vicky Boutin watercolor set, 18 pieces. So I'm not sure on this because they're in tubes. I'm going to have to watch YouTube, but I'm assuming they're just like the palettes. You just add water to them. But I'm gonna do some research on this, and I can't wait to use it. I got some Ranger mixed media paper, and definitely gonna go to town on this. And my first thing is I'm gonna do watercoloring. I'm gonna stamp on it, and then I'm gonna make some tags. So, and I want to try to use different colors other than, you know, the green and the blue and the yellow. So kind of get out of my comfort zone a little. So, and then my 12 by 12 paper pads, or pieces of paper. Yeah, this is it. This is Good Company, Simple and Sweet, which like I said, I love this color blue. And not a big fan of all the little frames and stuff, but I do love this side with the teal. So, and I might stitch on this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. This is Fresh Air. I love this side. I love they're not square cut aparts, that, you know, you can that you can cut these smaller ones and use them as labels. I'm not good with the big cut aparts. And I do like this side as well. Good Things, these citrus slices. And I love this side. So I love both sides of this paper. So I think I'm going to have to purchase another sheet of it so I can use both sides. Simple and Sweet Splendid. This is awesome paper. I don't know if I'm going to cut these out as circles and use them, or if I'm going to try and get pictures that I can put in the circles. If I do that, it looks like this is pretty much, you know, an easy page for me. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. And then this is the crazy paper. I just don't think I like the pink and the orange together, or I'm not really sure, but not my fave. But you never know. This is my favorite, Simplicity. I love once again, the gray, the gold, the pink, and then I love this side. And I think that I might use them together somehow. But this was my favorite out of the paper pack. Then this is the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane. This is the cut apart sheet. And then we got some musical notes. Let's see, can I? No. I'll probably end up using the musical notes. And then this is the piece of paper that was in my sneak peek. Let me tell you, the picture does not do it justice. In person, it's even better. I know that's hard to believe. And I'm thinking that I might stitch some of these because I have the point. So if I stitch them, it'll add a little texture. I don't know. We'll see. I might do a sample line to see how it works. And then we'll go from there. But this is Kind Heart. And then the other side, it's just a tone-on-tone polka dot. Definitely going to be using this side. Don't want to waste all those hearts. But so that is my unboxing for May. I am still working on my Killa kit with Style Travel Edition for the month of August, which my Now and the Here and Now is in there from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club from a couple months ago. I added that to it. So I can't wait to share that. And I hope you're having a good evening. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.